luck, senor. Buena suerte. Let's see this UFC Select. Look for each 2 exclusive autographs and Disco Prism parallels. There we go. Vittori. Cyril Gone. Disco Prism rookie. And Dan Henderson. This is the Concourse rookie. Dan Henderson. Ooh, 199. Shogun Hua. Kamzat. Rookie. Kamara Usman and Shogun Hua. Red Discos. What is this? 89 of 199. Hua. 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 Ooh, blue. Poirier. Pereira. Aspinalled and Claudia Gadelha. '99 of 99 on Claudia Gadelha. Octagon side. Chuck Liddell. Concourse silver. And the last pack. Another red. Ige. Dominic Cruz. Victor Luque. Zhang Wei Li. Red Disco Prism. 40 of 199. Magnum. I she lost the third rose, huh? Claudia Kamzat, Shogun Hua, Cyril Gane, Disco Prism rookie, and Zhang Wei Li. Sorry. Nice little box. Thanks, senor. Appreciate it.